Starting this Monday off right.
Early by 1 minute, let me tell you.
We got 3 trucks, John's Fusion and my truck.
Did you get my truck ready?
You should have showed up in it, man. You gotta catch up on the culture.
I gotta drive it. Well, I want to drive it today.
Yeah? The gray one?
Yeah.
Let's do a video.
Nice.
Nice. Nice! Come on, Will.
You see it, Will?
Ah!
These things aren't gonna burn. Let's fucking see it, dude. They don't burn, dude. Feel the burn, baby. Feel the burn gets to work. Hell yeah.
You. That is badass. 3 trucks just pulled up next to each other. Just a little far back.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. That was gnarly. Got the John.
Oh.
That
was good. That was good.
Like everybody's getting the job. Oh man, it's a bunch of...
Oh, there's the. What was your 2nd gen John?
Yeah, the
it's
V2.
about,
3rd gen John.
3rd gen. There you go. We got a 3rd gen John going down. How do you feel about that?
You almost have like a crush on me or something. I don't wanna...
Hey, you're just an inspiration. I just make it look better.
Hey now. Hey now.